Good afternoon, everyone. As you can see, the option chain and for this month, which is the 30th of December, and I'm posting this video after a very long time due to some personal reasons. Now, if you see for this month, I don't see much of an activity as will be an holiday week. That is only on Friday, 26th of December will be the market open, and then again 29, 13, 31. So the most of probably the FIs will be not active in this particular week. So we'll directly move to next week, which is January 1st week. Now you can see some kind of option chain. If you check some kind of activity here, so we can assume that market can move higher this week, 26,500 levels. Not much of an activity here, slight a bit of open interest here adding up, nothing much. So first week, and it might be possible 23,300 to 400 will go there. If we go directly to the next week, sorry, to the last week of January, which is exactly before the budget. So here a lot of activities happening, like 26,000 open interest getting built up in the put side, and if you see deep in the money, 27,500 is getting slowly built up. 27,000 is getting built up, and open interest total for put side is 3,74,000. Call side is 3,30,000, and these are for the month of January. And we directly move to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, if we see in the month of January again, uh, some kind of open interest built up over here, 58,000 levels, and here 60,000 is a good resistance. But if we see normally Nifty moves, so up automatically Bank Nifty will move. It should move actually, as per my understanding. And so Bank Nifty I do not usually track much, because it's only for a one monthly expiry in Bank Nifty. I usually track Nifty, Sensex, and stock specific. So I'll be sharing some stocks as well. We'll be sharing all the details. I'll be sharing all the details for the month of January itself. So Infosys, as we all know, that the result will be on 26th, sorry, on 14th of January. 14th of January will be the result. So if we see, there's quite a bit of activity happening over here. It's the open interest getting built up over here in put side till 1660 levels, and my understanding is it can move up to 1800, 1850, around 1850, 1800 above, because 14th it's the result, and not much built up in the call side. So it's clear cut for the Infosys. As you can see, 12,000 put side and 11,700 on the call side. Now if you go to TCS again for the month of January, if you go for TCS, you'll see TCS again there is a built up happening on 32, 33, 34,000 levels, sorry, 33,400 levels, and total is 12,000 put side, 17,000 on the call side. And I am been surprised with Reliance. Surprising for Reliance in the month of January. If you see, highest very high open interest in 1320 call side in the money, and again if you see 1780, it's hardly 1 rupee or 90 paisa. It's the call side. Again if you see put side, there's 1151 put side. So this is very unusual for Reliance. So we can see high level of activity in Reliance the next month as well. And if you see open interest 14,000 and 20,000, and there is a I've seen all these stocks, and apart from that I wanted to share you something very different uh, for Nifty, which is for the month of March. March you can see a lot of activity happening. So if you see in the money call options, I've tracked this 21,000 level. It has been getting added, and now 22,000 is getting added. So maybe possibility they are buying this and they are selling this. Not sure exactly what is happening in this March month. And if you see the put side, 24,000 levels, 1400 open interest has been added. Is 24,000 levels, the open interest has been negative, and 31,000 there is again an open interest added. So if you see call put ratio 1,22,952, if we check that, see I have already done that, and I have already done that. It's 121, 127 is the 1.27, sorry, 1.27 is the open interest. I'll be tracking March continuously because 1st of February will be the month, sorry, the budget will be there. Okay, the budget will be there 1st of February, and to be honest, the budget day, which is 1st of February, it's coming on Sunday, so most probably it will be on 2nd or or 30th Friday. So my understanding is it can get extended for one day or maybe on Friday, because Sunday obviously it might be not possible for the government to give the budget. So maybe the second of they will declare in the coming weeks when will be the budget, but mostly on 2nd of Feb or 30th of January. Let's see what happens. Now coming back to the markets, I do have a very strong feeling that we can go up to 27,500 levels for the month of January. And if you look at the charts as well, it's like the previous lows were like 24,349, 24,419, then 24,600, then here it was 25,400, and now the previous one was 25,750, 745. So it's higher high, higher lows is the scenario. So my perception is like because of this big event of budget, we can see high level of activity, like the market will can move very high or very abruptly. So looking at all these things, looking at the option chain and the chart as well, I see the market can trade between 26,500 to 27,500 levels for the next month. That is the upper side range, upper band, and it totally depends upon the budget, how the budget is being given, like what budget really is about, that for the common man, what is there for the common man, what services, what facilities government will be giving to the common man. Till then we can also see some stocks like which are related to the budget. We can see insurance stocks because this is the period where most of the activity happens. So you can see 900 levels can be crossed next month for LIC also. Then I go to IRCTC stocks, which is railway stock. Obviously budget is there. So railway stocks, budget stocks will be on focus. So you can see, looking at the option chain, IRCTC may be a very good stock, and LIC might be a very good stock pick for the budget. I would recommend LIC. So if you have some funds, you can buy some stocks of IRCTC as well as some stocks of LIC. So you can buy 4-5 stocks for this coming month, like short-term gains. If you want, you can buy these stocks like LIC, IRCTC, Reliance, and Infosys. You can buy all these stocks, which will be very helpful for short-term gains. And that's it from my end. Please do subscribe to my channel and like, share. Thank you so much for your listening patiently about my analysis. Thank you so much.